Hi guys, how to delete Gamepass on Please Donate. Now, navigate to the official Roblox website in your browser. Make sure it's the real site, not a fake copy. Click the Create tab at the top of the Roblox homepage. This opens your developer dashboard, where all the magic happens. Select Creations from the left-hand menu. Then click on the specific experience, usually your default place, where your game passes were created. Picking the wrong one is a common mistake, so double-check here. Scroll down the left sidebar to the Monetization section and click on Passes. This shows every active game pass you've ever made. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get stuck. Click the game pass you want to remove, select Sales on the left, and toggle the Item for Sale switch to off. That's it. This instantly removes it from your PLS donate stand and stops all future sales. Want to know the secret trick to re-adding a pass without losing your sales data?